Welcome back to Iron Rev X, your home for futuristic car reviews and luxury innovations. Today, we're looking at something that pushes the boundaries of imagination. This is the Rolls-Royce luxury motorhome concept, a palace on wheels, where British craftsmanship meets futuristic engineering. From the outside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome concept is unlike anything else on the road. Its front is dominated by the illuminated grille, tall and bold, framed by razor-thin vertical LED signature lights. The body is sculpted in a sleek metallic two-tone finish, glossy jet black on top, paired with a deep gunmetal lower half. Aerodynamic curves flow across its enormous double-decker silhouette, while 6 massive alloy wheels ensure both stability and style. At night, the vehicle transforms into a rolling light sculpture. Illuminated accents highlight its length, and the rear features a continuous LED light bar glowing like a futuristic yacht on wheels. Even the emblems and door handles are softly illuminated, making every entrance feel ceremonial. Step inside, and the experience redefines luxury travel. The lower deck features a grand living lounge with handcrafted leather sofas, real wood veneer panels, and crystal inlays, a retractable dining table, a built-in minibar, and an ambient lighting system create the perfect atmosphere. The upper deck is a masterpiece with a panoramic lounge and an electrochromic glass roof that shifts from clear to tinted at the touch of a button. Reclining leather chairs with massage and climate control give the comfort of a first-class suite, while hidden entertainment screens transform the space into a personal cinema. Technology flows seamlessly throughout. An AI-driven assistant manages lighting, climate, and media. Satellite connectivity ensures high-speed internet anywhere in the world. Smart glass windows can display navigation or transform into privacy screens. The cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a 20-inch curved OLED display. Augmented reality navigation overlays routes directly onto the windshield, while haptic controls and a crystal-topped steering system complete the futuristic design. Power comes from quad electric motors delivering over 1,200 horsepower. Despite its size, acceleration is smooth and silent, with a range of nearly 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. Ultra-fast charging adds 400 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. Adaptive all-wheel steering and predictive air suspension ensure this giant drives with the elegance of a luxury SUV. Safety includes AI-powered collision detection, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, pedestrian awareness, and a 360-degree LiDAR scanner. The autonomous driving system can handle long highway journeys with minimal driver input. Luxury goes even further with a private master suite, a spa-inspired bathroom, and even a rooftop sky deck. A concealed garage bay allows you to carry a smaller luxury EV wherever you go. And of course, exclusivity is unmatched. If this concept ever enters production, only a handful would be built, each handcrafted to the owner's specifications, priced in the multi-million-dollar range. The Rolls-Royce luxury motorhome concept is not just transportation. It is a redefinition of luxury living in motion, where the journey itself becomes the destination. What do you think? Is this the future of luxury travel, or has Rolls-Royce gone beyond imagination? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching Iron Rev X. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next big reveal. The future of luxury rolls on.